Hi, welcome to this speed sensor demonstration and short tutorial. I want to show you everyone a common issue that we're starting to see a lot of. This is a trigger wheel coming off a drive axle on a vehicle with erratic ABS engagement during low speed. What's happened here is because it sits on the outside outboard housing of the axle, rust builds up on the inside here, forcing an expansion to the point at which the actual trigger wheel will split. Very common. Another factor is rust building up on the outside of the tone wheel or also trigger wheel. This is very common. A lot of the BMWs on the rear axles. We're starting to see a lot of on the 3 Series X3 model, causing erratic or erroneous ABS codes or engagement and then triggering the stabilizing traction control as well. So what I want you to do is pay attention to the tone wheel. Do a good inspection. It needs to be clean, free of rust. The problem is, as the rust builds up on the outside of the trigger wheel, we are changing the air gap between the sensor and the trigger. Typically, we'd like to see 15 to 25 thousandths of an inch clearance. It'll actually hit up against the sensor, causing erratic and erroneous falsified signals, especially more sensitive on the AC type sensor, 2-wire sensor versus the Hall effect. Okay, so we want to check for rust and build up, make sure that air gap is nice and clean. A lot of these wheels can be cleaned up with a piece of emery cloth and then blow it off and see if we can revive that air gap to speed sensor clearance. So hope this helps out, and we'll see you in the next video.